Hey guys, so how do you add TikTok Shop product linked to your TikTok video? Well, that's what we're going to be tackling in today's video, so just bear with this one. Now, going to your TikTok commerce here, you can just basically add in whichever type of links, like on the managed products here. This is your product, and this is what the product you'd like to be input in your video. Just click on copy. This product is suspended, unfortunately, but we're going to use this as an example. You can't use a product that is suspended, but since this is just for tutorial purposes, that's just basically it. If you have a product, just select a video. So click on upload and then select a video. And in here, you can see here, the description, you can just copy paste and paste the ID number of your product, and that'll be showed as a link to your actual video when you upload it. So that's just basically it, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope this video is of any help. That's how quick and easy it is. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.